Hello friends, I am Chandrakant JAVVAJI from BENNETT University, BTech CSE third year. Today we are going to discuss about Google Chrome OS. Let's dive into the video. Basic terms of Google Chrome OS. Official binary from Google, supported by Google. Google branding is the official Google released OS and will only be installed on partner OEM hardware. OEM hardware will provide enhanced performance and security. Auto update enabled, and also verified secure boost using firmware signature checks and easy recovery firmware feature. Google stores backup encryption keys on cloud and supported by Google and partners. Operating systems in OS. One kind of software that controls the overall operation of a computer. Linux, Sun Solaris, Linux, Ubuntu, Red Hat, Microsoft Windows, Apple Mac OS, Google Chrome OS. What is Google Chrome OS? The Google Chrome OS is envisioned to be a lightweight operating system that promises to start up and get users on the internet in few seconds. The official Google blog said that OS will target netbooks first when it comes out next year and will be made available for enterprise computing solutions in succeeding releases of the software. And here is what's at the core of the Google Chrome OS. The operating system will be free and open source and built on the top of a Linux kernel. It will run on both x86 and ARM chips. Applications that run on Google Chrome OS will do so through any standard browser like Apple's Safari, Mozilla's Firefox, among others. Google Chrome OS is separate from Android, and OEM manufacturers like Acer, Adobe, Asus, Freescale, Hewlett-Packard, Lenovo, and Qualcomm. Texas Instruments and Toshiba are working with the Google to build devices installed with the OS. Google Chrome OS costs. Google did not say how much it would charge for the operating system, but Enderl accepts Google to charge at most a nominal fee or make it free, saying the company's business model has been to earn revenue from connecting applications or advertising. Google Chrome OS features. Firstly, the Google Chrome OS features are fast and lightweight. The new Chrome OS is expected to work well with many of the company's popular software applications. It will be fast and less memory intensive, and also enabling users to access the web in a few seconds. The new system is designed to work with ARM and x86 chips. The main chip architectures in the use in the market. Microsoft has previously said it would not support PCs running on ARM chips, allowing Google an opportunity to infiltrate that segment. Features: speedy boot up as fast as 3 seconds. A Chrome OS device will not store any applications on the device itself. The only applications it will use are those that can be run from the cloud in a browser. The Chrome browser, to be specific. One of the primary reasons for this is to speed up the boost time. With no local applications and limited hardware, the device doesn't need to run through the long checklist looking for the devices and drivers, and also the loading programs into the resident memory and so on. It should turn on like a television, flip a switch, and within 3 seconds browser should be available, showing the most recent browser windows. Security by default. The portion of the operating system needed to operate the device will reside in a read-only secretion of memory. The rest of the operating system is integrated with the Chrome browser, and like the browser security updates require nothing more than a reboot. Chrome OS can run multiple web applications in multiple tabs, and each one is locked down from all the others. So one web app can't lead to exposure in another. User data stored on the device, which is minimal, is encrypted. User data is limited to items such as user preferences. All the other data will be stored in the cloud. Support for both x86 and ARM architectures. Google promises that it will be writing native code for the both popular netbook CPUs. And the application menu. As new web applications come online, tweaked for Chrome OS, Chrome OS will showcase them on a permanent tab, and it now calls the application menu. And this will help users find new applications. Developers with new apps will find this as an easier method to showcase them. Any web application that runs in a standard compliant browser should work on a Chrome OS device. But Chrome OS is focused on supporting new protocols such as HTML5, which among other improvements natively supports rich media. I hope from this video you learned some important stuff about Google Chrome OS, how it functions and how it is creating a special place in the market. Thank you.